77 Chevy Tahoe with an 8-inch lift, rough country. Beautiful car. 2-door coupe. They're rare to find anymore, especially with a lift kit. It's in really good shape. And what we did on it has aftermarket high flow cats, MagnaFlows, and it's true dualed into 2 1/4 tailpipes all the way back. And what we did, because of the 8-inch lift, we tucked it on top of the springs. As you guys can see, it took a lot of bending and finagling, but we did a really nice job on it. It's tucked out of the way, then you don't see none of the pipe, you don't see anything. All you see is the tips at the end, and we welded the tips from the inside, so it gives it that really nice clean look. And all you see from the back is the tips. The rest of the system you do not see. Especially on a lifted truck, you don't want to see the pipe, you just want to see the tips. Like that. One there, and one there. You see how it's all nice and tucked in? You can't see nothing from the side. You can't see nothing at all. It's just a clean job. Anytime you have a lifted truck, you want the muffler shop to do it for you like that. So it's all nice and tucked and hidden. Let us know what you guys think about our work in the comments. Thank you. What the? Song. I have to say. Go down the street in it. As you can see, you can't see any of the pipe, just the tips. Comes out really beautiful and clean.